Hello, this is Memuna Rafiq, and today we will discuss about a new personality in our psychology, and he play a very vital role in the field of the psychology and in the field of the personality. So he explained the personality as his own way. So the personality we are going to discuss is the Carl Roger, who are born in 1982 and their last breaths are in 1987. So here we are going to discuss about his work and who he are. All the introduction we are going to discuss about him. Okay guys, just one second. Okay. The Carl Roger was born January 8, 1902 in a small suburb of Oak Park, Illinois, right outside of Chicago. He was the fourth of the six children, मतलब कि वो चौथे नंबर पे थे 6 बहन भाइयों में से. His parents were strict Protestants and worked hard to keep the society from corrupting their children. When Carl was a teenager, his family moved to a farm in Galen, Allen, Illinois. This is where he became interested in the science of agriculture. He decided to go to college at the University of Wisconsin at Madison to pursue a career in farming. So after his graduation from college, he married his longtime girlfriend Helen, and they had a son and a daughter. After many decades of his influential research and publications, Carl Roger finished out the rest of his days in La Jolla, California, where he worked for a short time at the Western Behavioral Science Institute. So in his adult life, while enrolled at the University of Wisconsin, he started attending the Christian Revival meeting and decided to change his major to history instead of agriculture. He had decided to become a minister after graduation. Roger was then interested in studying religion and applied the Union Theological Seminary in New York City. He was here where he began taking psychology classes at the Teacher College of Columbia University. Roger later transferred completely to the Teacher College when inspired by such instruction as Boston Goodwin, Lita Hollingworth, and the William Howard Cliptree. Roger later went on to pursue a career at Rochester, Ohio State University, the University of Chicago, University of Wisconsin, and the Western Behavioral Science Institute in California. So प्रोफेशनल अकम्पलिशमेंट्स क्या थी कार्ल रॉजर्स की, आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. रॉजर आल्सो बिकम द डायरेक्टर ऑफ रॉकस्टर गाइडेंस सेंटर. Roger's dissertations while attending the teacher college was personality adjustment inventory. The publication was so popular that in a span of 50 years, it sold over 500,000 copies. In 1939, he published his first book called The Clinical Treatment of Problem Child. Roger then took a full teaching position at Ohio State University and subsequently started work on his second book entitled Counseling and the Psychotherapy, New Concept in Practice. After only 4 years, he decided to transfer the university to the University of Chicago, in which he started the counseling center, and he was also a professor in the psychology department. It was here he began working on his new approach to counseling, now known as client-centered therapy. Also during this time, he wrote another book entitled The Client-Centered Therapy. Its current practice, implication and theory. ठीक है, जो इनकी करंट एप्लीकेशन थी या करंट जो इनकी प्रैक्टिस थी वो किस पे थी, क्लाइंट सेंटर्ड थेरेपी पे, ठीक है, एंड करंट प्रैक्टिस किस पे थी, इम्प्लीकेशंस एंड थ्योरी पे थी, क्लाइंट सेंटर्ड. फिर था एसोसिएशन, द फर्स्ट distinguished scientific contribution awarded in 1956. Roger is also well known for his work with the American Association of Orthopsychiatry and the American Association of Social Workers. During the 1940s and 1950s, he was the president of the American Psychological Association as well, जिसका आप रूल्स फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, APA, ठीक है, American Psychological Association. Roger was well known for being the first to record his therapy session, thus demonstrating his theory and beliefs. Provided audio recording and training video for other psychotherapists to use as training material. While at the University of Wisconsin, he wrote one of the most influential books in 1961 entitled On Becoming a Person, a Therapist's View of Psychotherapy. ये पढ़े, ये बुक्स जो है ना, ये आप कोशिश किया करें कि जो बुक्स के नेम आप लोग सुन रहे होते हैं इनको सर्च आउट करके पढ़ा करें. Assumptions थी, Roger is well known for his work in the client-centered approach used in a psychotherapy. His belief was that the client was in charge of their own happiness. The therapist was just there to guide the client in the right direction. He believed that in order for a client-therapist relationship to develop, the therapist must embody these characteristics: unconditional positive regards, empathy, and congruence. He also had a self-theory in which he described how the client view himself, herself, and how through the therapy can help to change their view and a culture. Roger theory and the principle put together are better known today as humanistic psychology. His version focused more on helping the individual help themselves instead of diagnosing. Roger interested in the client achieving his or her full potential in the life is what we known as self-actualization, and thus leading the client to become a full function person, which is a fact was the ultimate goal. So you told me to accept myself for what I am. Now you want me to pay you. ठीक है, ये एक थेरेपिस्ट है, एक पिक्चर में बताया गया है कि ये एक क्लाइंट है और एक थेरेपिस्ट है, ठीक है. अब वो बंदा जो है वो थेरेपिस्ट से कह रहा है कि तुमने मुझे बताया है कि मैंने अपनी सेल्फ को या अपने आप को किस तरह से एक्सेप्ट करना है, और इसी चीज़ को बताने के तुम मुझसे पैसे मांग रहे हो कि काम भी मैंने खुद करना है और पैसे भी तुम मांग रहे हो. ठीक है, एक फ़नी उन्होंने ऐड की हुई है अंदर. Okay, the stage of theory, the self-actualization tendency is the built-in a tendency to develop in a positive way. Those ऐसी tendency जो कि एक positive way में develop हुई हो, those who have the self-actualization have achieved autonomy. उन लोगों के लिए जो कि self-actualization को achieve करते हैं as autonomy, self-sufficiency और personal growth के तौर पर. The person center assume that each person has a need of unconditional positive regard. ठीक है, पर्सन सेंटर जो है वो क्या assumption देता है कि हर पर्सन को एक अनकंडीशनल पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड की ज़रूरत होती है. ठीक है, जिसमें उसमें की एक्सेप्टेंस, रिस्पेक्ट, सिंपैथी और लव regardless performance, all these things are needed or help to to achieve their self-actualization tendency. Most people receive the conditional positive regard is acceptance only for doing what parents or society insist upon the person is value for what he or she does, not for who he or she मीन्स कि क्या वैल्यू है उसकी, इंस्टेड कि वो पर्सन ये सोचे कि वो क्या है, ठीक है। तो पेरेंट्स और सोसाइटी जो है वो उसको एक्सेप्ट करना, ये एक कंडीशनल पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड होता है। इंडिविजुअल में लॉज द साइड ऑफ देयर ट्रू वर्थ एंड द रिसीविंग कंडीशनल पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड, दे विल लीव द पाथ ऑफ सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन एंड लुक टू द अदर टू पॉजिटिव रिगार्ड। नेक्स्ट है जी, थ्रेट्स occur when we perceive the incongruity between our experiences and our self-concepts. When we no longer regard ourselves as a consistent whole but as fragmented and false. कि मतलब कि जब हम अपने जो हमारे रिगार्ड्स हैं या हमारी जो कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं हमारे सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट के, हमारे सेल्फ परसीव करने की, तो उन दोनों के दरमियान में जो हमारा एक्सपीरियंस और सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ना, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या कर रहा होता है, उसमें कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपकी गलत साबित हो रही होती हैं। जब आपके दिल में खौफ हो अपने आप अपनी ज़ात को एक्सेप्ट करने का, तो उसमें आप कन्फ्यूजन में कुछ ऐसे फैसले कर जाते हैं जो कि आगे जाके गलत साबित होते हैं। व्हेन एक्सपेक्टिंग द थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशन, जब आप सोच रहे हो, एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कुछ थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशन के बारे में, तो वी फील द एंजाइटी। तो हम क्या एंजाइटी फील करते हैं, ठीक है। और एंजाइटी क्या है? एंजाइटी इज़ अ सिग्नल इंडिकेटेड दैट देयर इज़ अ ट्रबल, ओके, देयर इज़ अ ट्रबल अहेड, अवॉइड द सिचुएशन and to avoid the situation, and we avoid the situation by using defense, ठीक है। The two defenses, denial and the perceptual distortions. Denial is help out us to blocking out the threatening situation altogether, and perceptual distortion is help out to reprinting the situation so that it appear less threatening, ठीक है। So what is the therapy? Client-centered therapy. The client should say what is wrong, find way to improving, and determine the conclusion of therapy. Reflection, mirroring of emotional communication, कि ऐसी चीज़ जो कि आपकी इमोशनल कम्युनिकेशन का मिरर बन रही है. सो क्लाइंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट द थेरेपिस्ट इज लिसनिंग एंड केयर्स इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड. Requirement of the therapist, number 1 is congruence, genius, honesty with the client, empathy, the ability to feel what is the client feel, and number 3 is respect, acceptance, unconditional positive regard toward the client. These qualities are necessary and sufficient. So there is some pros and cons in this therapy. Develop the person-centered therapy. Roger was the first record videotape session for the educational purpose. First, to refer the person as a client instead of a patient. Coined the term self-theory. The client views themselves and how through the therapy they can they can change their view of future and how they desire to live. ओके, सेल्फ थ्योरी क्या कहती है कि आपके जो जीने का तरीका है ना, उसका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उसको चेंज करती है, ठीक है, और फ्यूचर जो है आपको अपनी मर्ज़ी के मुताबिक गुजारने का मौका जो है वो उसके चांसेस देती है, एक सेल्फ सेंटर थ्योरी जो है. ओके, रोजर बिलीव दैट द कोर ऑफ द मैन नेचर इज़ एसेंशियली पॉजिटिव, कि जो इंसान का जो कोर नेचर है ना वो पॉजिटिवली एसेंशियल है. विक्टिम ऑफ वायलेंट क्राइम्स वुड डिसएग्री. कॉन्स जो हैं, Roger believed that the core of man nature is essentially positive. Victim of the violent crime would disagree. This is the con. Roger believed humans were essentially trustworthy organism. Roger actualizing tendency is contradictory to his belief that people are essentially good or trustworthy. The idea of ideal self, what I want to be, may be very far from what is the actual and or realistic I am. Okay, how the Roger theory may be used in education practice. As educational counselor, Roger theory of the person-centered therapy may be very helpful in the guiding student to pursue their strength. क्या स्टूडेंट को इससे क्या हेल्पर होगी कि वो अपनी जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसको परस्यू कर सकें या उसको मतलब लाइक समझ सकें और उसको इंक्रीज कर सकें. ठीक है, बाय यूजिंग द रॉजर टेक्निक ऑफ ह्यूमनिस्टिक साइकोलॉजी, काउंसलर्स कैन हेल्प द स्टूडेंट हेल्प देमसेल्फ. जो काउंसलर है वो क्या करते हैं, वो कहते हैं स्टूडेंट अपनी मदद खुद कर सकता है ह्यूमनिस्टिक साइकोलॉजी के मुताबिक. Through the creating a positive relationship with the student, the counselor has the opportunity to instill condition of worth in his or her student. So here is some basic Carl Rogers की कुछ starting बताई गई है, फिर उसकी basic assumption है people are basically good, we can only facilitate his learning. ठीक है, फिर आगे उन्होंने कुछ teaching के लिए बताया गया है कि authenticity, trust, empathy, सारी चीज़ें जो है वो लर्निंग के लिए उनके लिए ज़रूरी है. तो प्रिंसिपल और कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स बताए गए हैं लर्निंग के कि ह्यूमन बीइंग हैव अ नेचुरल पोटेंशियल फॉर लर्निंग, द इंडिविजुअल हैज़ अ गोल ही और शी विशेस टू अचीव, लर्निंग इज़ अ स्पोर्टिव एनवायरनमेंट, लर्निंग बाय डूइंग और लर्नर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सपोर्ट लर्निंग, and the self-initiate learning which involve the whole person of the learner. Self-evaluation are the basic and evaluation by the other is of secondary importance, and learning is to incorporate into the oneself of the process of changing. So these are the some principles of learning by the Carl Roger. So everything is done here. I hope you guys are understand what actually द थ्योरी ऑफ कार्ल रॉजर्स. और कार्ल रॉजर जो है वो एक्चुअली हमें क्या बताना चाहते थे, और इनका मेजर वर्क जो है वो क्लाइंट सेंटर थेरेपी के बारे में है, जिससे किसी भी इंडिविजुअल जो है वो अपने बारे में मतलब अपने सेल्फ के बारे में उसको क्लेरिफाई कर सकता है बहुत सारी चीज़ें, और अपनी लाइफ को एक राइट साइड पर लेके आ सकता है, अपने स्ट्रेंथ को जो है वो थोड़ा मतलब इन्हांस कर सकता है. So his theory is helpful for all of the individual and the student and also for the teachers. तो जिसमें टीचर के लिए इसलिए हेल्पफुल है कि टीचर को आसानी होती है कि वो अपने स्टूडेंट के रिएक्शन को और स्टूडेंट के जो थॉट्स हैं उनको समझ सकें. ठीक है, और जो एक्चुअल मतलब लर्निंग है, मीन रियलिटी बेस्ड जो लर्निंग है वो प्रोवाइड करे स्टूडेंट को, और उसमें एस्थेटिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी होनी चाहिए टीचर में. सो सच टाइप ऑफ द थिंग दैट आर कनेक्टेड विद द Carl Roger theory. So thank you so much. Inshallah we will discuss the next lecture with a new topic, or maybe this is the last lecture. So remember me in your prayer. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.